Natasha Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread in my catch-all planner, which is Sketchy Florals. It is a happy planner that is classic size, and we're planning for the first week of July, last week of June, actually last day of June, so June 30th through July 6th. Today, I know this is 4th of July week, but I'm doing something different. Um, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you probably already know, but I got engaged over this past weekend. So this is the first week that I have to plan since our engagement. So I wanted to make it a little bit more about that than anything else. So I'm gonna go ahead and create this spread with probably Love Melody from Easter Case. I also pulled some other books that have celebrations in those. So I just wanted to see, like once I'm done, to see what elements I need or I could use in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the checklist as always. So I just do bullet points. Again, I know I say this every time, but I do not do lines. I just fill in the bullet points, and I really like that look. So again, I'm doing something different every time you guys see me, but it is what it is, right? So here we go. And this is where I am right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep going until we are done with this. So I do about 5 or 6 to-dos every single day in here, depending on what it is. But yeah, that's kind of where I am. And then we can go from there. Okay. And yes, you guys are able to see my ring. He did an amazing job. And there's a hidden halo underneath that stone. So it is absolutely stunning. I really love simple rings. And of course, he proposes the minute I stopped doing press-ons, which, that's life. And it cannot get more life than that. Okay. Moving on from this, if this is your first time joining me, welcome. I'm so glad you found me. If you have been here before and you're coming back to spend more time with me, I appreciate you so much. And yeah, let's get into decorating this spread. So, as you can see, this lovely couple, how can I not use them? So, we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm flipping through some books to see what else I can use in here. I don't want to necessarily use the like wedding attire and stuff, but I do want to use some couples. I do want to use some really pretty images from here. So yeah, let's go ahead and do it. And I'm gonna use some of these boxes too because they are simply beautiful and decorative. So I wanted to make sure they're incorporated in there too. But let me get my tweezers because these are clear, at least the first few pages are clear, so they are a little bit hard to pull up. So I use tweezers for that, and it makes it super, super easy. And as you can see a little bit of the line on her dress, but other than that, it is not bad at all, and mainly because these stickers from Easter Case are fully opaque. And no, this is not a sponsored video, but I do have an affiliate link and a code for you guys for Easter Case in case you guys are buying stickers from them. They have some amazing stuff, you guys. So, and they're pretty affordable. So you can use code KASHA for 12% off of your order. I truly appreciate any support you guys show me because every little bit counts. Plus, I feel the love, right? So it's a multitude of things. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and add these wedding bands. I know that's a wedding, but you know what? Okay, it is what it is. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. It was really, really pretty. I'm gonna go and add this box as well for Sunday. So we'll see what we do. This is a long weekend. I'm sure we're going to be celebrating with family, which I love, and I can't wait to do that. So we'll go ahead and create this kind of Modge Podge of things, but from one book. So let me see if I can twist a little. Yeah, good. Okay, so yeah, the heart on Wednesday. Don't know why I did that, but I did. And then I'm going to try to fit this beautiful box in here. I know it's going to take a little bit of room off of my writing on Monday, but I write pretty small, so I think I can live with that. So let's go ahead and keep doing it. And yes, I am still learning how to do my nails, you guys. It is a work in progress. It is not as easy as it looks. This is gel nails. Um, and yeah, it's it's a challenge, but I'm gonna get there. So yeah, let's go ahead and keep going. So I have all of this. So the little boxes that I'm putting here and there, which one should not be on Friday, are mainly for my work schedule. So as you guys know, I keep track of my hours just to see where I'm at. Um, so yeah, pretty pretty good, and we'll see from there. Okay. So far so good, and I'm gonna just keep going. Let's see. A lot more celebrations in here, and I do need more boxes, like actual physical boxes. I was thinking of using colored ones, but I think I'm gonna mute it down with some browns and some nudes. So hopefully that will help me because, yeah, a little bit of a different vibe here. They said I do want it to look very happy because it's such a happy occasion, but I don't want this to scream color too much because that's just not me, right? So, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and keep going with that. I think it is so beautiful. Like that couple just completely like takes it out of the park, hits it out of the park. Oh my gosh, you guys. English is my second language. Some of the stuff that I say, it's like really, but yeah. So I'll keep going. That big box on Tuesday, I more than likely will be dividing that and using it for like two things. So we shall see how that goes. But yeah, that's where I am right now. And I just want to go ahead and keep adding to this until I am ready with what needs to be done. Yep, I'm going to keep going. So there we go. I need I think that's it. I think box wise, I'm good. So now I can start decorating and adding elements. Let me see if I want to add anything else. I did want to add this colored box because it's so beautiful, but I don't know if I have space for it. It doesn't look like it. Um, that would be too close to that one. So let's put this back and get back into it. Let's go ahead and put the champagne next to the couple. I'm going to cover notes with this so they can celebrate. So, yeah, if you guys have any engagement advice or wedding advice, please leave it down in the comments. I love reading through those. If there's something that you did during your engagement that you highly recommend, let me know. I'm always so curious to see what people want to do and what people are doing. So I just want to learn, um, and kind of take the best out of everybody's experience and make it my own. So, yeah, like I said, if you have any tidbits of wisdom, please drop them in the comments, or you can message me privately on Instagram. I'm pretty responsive, so you should hear back from me within hours, um, a day at most. So, yeah, keep me posted. Like I said, that is a very joyous thing for me. So, I want to make it as special as possible. Okay, but we need more decorations, you guys. So clearly, this is not done. I love this little beach scene because gorgeous, right? I don't know where that is, but let's go ahead and put like a champagne and two glasses because that's really pretty too. So I'm just gonna place it down there and or up there, I should say. And I'm gonna grab this little sticker up here if I can, and I'm gonna put it next to it to bring in some of that pink up. Yeah. So there we go. Next up, I'm gonna go ahead and add smaller elements throughout to kind of fill in the spread. And of course, I'm gonna be writing so much in here as always. And yeah, I can't wait to do some wedding planning with you guys. I do have multiple wedding planners. If you guys want to see them, also let me know. I can show you and flip through them. Some of them are stunning and gorgeous, and some of them are a little bit more plain. Some of them are super detailed. Some of them last. So I think I have 4 wedding planners. Obviously, I'm going to be only using one, but I usually keep them on hand because if somebody gets engaged, um, like I want to gift them right away. So yeah, look at this beach bag. Woohoo! Tropicals. I can't wait. So yeah, I'm gonna be filming lots of videos for you guys this week. I'm working on it, so bear with me as everything gets done. But yes, I have so much to share. So let's go ahead. I want to kind of fill it in with a couple other things. I don't know if I will or if I won't because most of this book is like by a different color. And yes, it is pretty, but no, it does not fit the theme up here. So I might just skip and I'm gonna be looking for stickers here and there probably as I'm filling it out. So I'm just flipping. Oh my gosh, I haven't flipped through this book in such a long time. But no, there's nothing. I'm also looking through the celebration book, which is newer, to see if there's anything I can use in here. Mostly because, like, if there's fireworks or little things that I can put in here, that would be great. But yeah, I don't know. So I'm gonna keep you guys posted. I do love the view of this spread. I think it makes me pretty happy that ring box is everything, you guys. It is so stunning. If you guys have questions or comments, you know where to find me. Let's pop this baby back into my planner. And I am so thankful for you for being here, and I'll see you guys soon. Thanks so much for spending some time with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!